Soon, the CEO of Shiba Inu will be sends SHIB to $10 overnight. The price of Shiba Inu is more volatile right now since it has dropped by the most proportion this year. With the use of technical indicators and traditional price action strategies, traders may use this research to predict both bullish and bearish scenarios. The digital meme currency dropped 11% on red day, making Shiba Inu's price experience the strongest of the year. The token's price behavior in the future will be determined by the price as it approaches a previously defined trend line. Traders could anticipate a more substantial loss if the bulls fail to provide support at the present level. We'll discuss about Shiba Inu's CEO sending SHIB to $10 overnight in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. At the moment, Shiba Inu is trading at 0.00001014. The 4J candlestick's bearish attempt to shut below the 21-day simple moving average per day was unsuccessful. Should it be effective, this would be the first indication that the general upward trend that started in the first week of December has come to a halt. However, there's always a risk that the upward trend may go on. According to the Relative Strength Indicator, or RSI, the present price is bullishly diverging from the last consolidation zone around 0.00001050 and is returning to levels of support. In the long run, one may thus see the current decline as a purchasing opportunity. If the RSI is above all 40 levels, it would suggest that the whole rally is vulnerable to liquidation. The cost is the next important factor. Bulls should target the August high, which is around 0.00001800, as this would be a 45% rise in price from SHIB's present market value. Conversely, the bears who joined the market close to the latest swing high at 0.00001575 would probably start increasing their holdings if the RSI does break below 40. As a consequence, a selling frenzy that targets the SHIB winter rally's genesis point at 0.000780 may emerge. A 36% drop from the present Shiba Inu price is possible in the bearish scenario. A cryptocurrency venture capital company went on a major multi-million-dollar acquisition binge, buying billions of Shiba Inu coins. The Chicago-based trading business Jump Trading has seen an exponential growth in its SHIB holdings, from $250,000 on February 4th to well over $130.7 billion, according to new statistics from blockchain search engine Etherscan. With the purchase of the meme token with a dog motif, Jump Trading, which is renowned for being among the tiniest hedge funds, now owns SHIB valued at around $1.7 million. Based on the platform's most recent financial report, it manages assets valued at around $150 million overall. The paper also notes that Jump Trading could have assets like cash or real estate that aren't publicly declared, which might mean that its portfolio is significantly greater than what is stated. The hedge fund's buying frenzy coincides with a drop in the price of Shiba Inu. The rival to Deutsche Coin has decreased by almost 4% in the last day, now trading at $0.102 after hitting a high of $0.15 7 days ago. According to a recent analysis by crypto analytics platform Sentiment, Shiba Inu has become the second biggest altcoin held by Ethereum Whales, and as a result, whale activity surrounding it has been increasing in 2023. Sentiment reports that the top 5,000 ETH whales in the world now own a whopping $50,905,707,716,073 SHIB, which is valued at little more over $735 million. The pace at which the total amount of SHIB tokens is depleted is known as the Shiba Inu burn rate. Token burn is the method used to do this, which entails transferring some tokens to a public address that is unknown to have a private key. By doing this, the tokens are essentially taken out of circulation and their total supply is decreased. The first token distribution of SHIB was intended to resemble the operations of a conventional stock that has a limited quantity. To prevent token inflation, the project's creators burned half of the token supply and kept the other half hidden. Glassnode data shows that over the last many months, SHIB's burn rate has drastically decreased. By November 2023, it had dropped to a mere 3%. This decrease in the burn rate is probably the result of many things coming together, such as the significant SHIB token sell-off and the release of fresh tokens from the restricted supply. In the recent day, the SHIB burn rate fell by 99.13%, from nearly 20 million SHIB tokens burnt to only 205,000. This is in line with SHIB burn data. The burn rate's overall performance in relation to the price of SHIB is still poor despite this reduction. Trader interest in SHIB may be waning for a number of reasons. The recent token sell-off, which saw values drop from all-time highs, is one of the primary causes. Some traders could have cashed out as a result, keeping their winnings from their investments. The DeFi space's growing competitiveness is another reason. There has been an increase in the quantity of brand new DeFi initiatives in recent months, each with a distinct token. Competition like this might detract from SHIB and other initiatives. Lastly, the longevity of SHIB's business strategy may worry certain traders. The creators of the project have said that they want to finance further development using a share of the token's restricted quantity. Concerns exist, nevertheless, over the project's long-term ability to bring in money and continue expanding. The value of a cryptocurrency may rise by burning Shiba Inu tokens to reduce their quantity in circulation. The amount of burning required to get the price down to 0.001 is a considerable obstacle, however. With 549.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation right now and a $5.81 billion market capitalization, a price of 0.001 may be reached by bringing down the token supply to $5.8 trillion. A Shiba Inu Discord moderator named SHIB Queenie previously calculated that via gateways of ShibaSwap and the planned Shibarium Layer 2 solution, up to 88.8 trillion SHIB tokens might be burnt yearly. According to this forecast, it would take around 6 years to achieve the required price. But achieving this objective may not be as simple as it first seems, according to Shiba Inu's chief developer. Here, Archangel has issued a warning against the impractical target of burning 90% of SHIB tokens, since doing so would need burning over 99% of the token supply in order to attain a price of 0.001. Furthermore, awards are given in Ryoshi's vision for burning Shiba Inu tokens, which have a lower value than SHIB tokens. This calls into question the motivations for burning tokens to lower their supply. Even if SHIB's burn rate has recently decreased, the token's future is still unknown. The project could develop further and keep its appeal, but it also might end up being simply another unremarkable incident in the annals of cryptocurrency history. The token may see a rise in popularity if SHIB's creators can effectively handle the difficulties they encounter and keep innovating. It will, however, take a lot of work to do this. Investment and a well-defined future plan for the project. Whales has been storing bone in preparation for the announcement. As a result of the same, the asset's price has been rising. Thanks to its 101% surge, the value of bone has more than doubled since the start of the year. Huobi just introduced Bone ShibaSwap to its official digital asset website. The same argued in favor of a possible listing. On the official website, the trading and deposit choices were noteworthy. Aside from that, distinct parts are devoted to the introduction of the project, details on the token, and associated links. Users are sent to the Bone page upon selecting the deposit option, but the same seemed blank and unresponsive. As a result, neither trading nor the exchange have formally acknowledged Bone's listing. The army of Shiba Inus has been waiting a long time for the listing of Bones. The exchange posted a photo of a red-clad Shiba Inu dog in mid-December of last year to respect the spirit of the holidays. Individuals in the area quickly began to advocate for the possibility of a Bone listing being considered. With the release of the most recent page, it seems that the exchange is now prepared for the same. The day is over now. remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.